if you start following our old traditions and not adapting the system of new one, then we will be very, very backwarded and will be different.
Morning, sir.
So, what is today's date?
2081 Asar 4.
Asar for Tuesday, right? Students they are wearing their house dress. Some they are wearing yellow T-shirt. Please don't keep that color downward. Some they are using red, some blue, some green. That means already the four houses are there, right? And this is grade 9. And we are discussing the exercise of sixth chapter. What is the sixth chapter?
Nature and environment.
And I have already said you this is the last chapter for first term examination, right? So after completion of this portion, what do we do? We'll be discussing from government book as well as question pattern. So you have to prepare question yourself. So probably I may give you idea how to make question in daytime. 75 marks, yeah, right, 75 marks. And we are late comer is there. What is your name? Why did you become late? Time is already 8:14. Do you come from Etoda? Do you understand? All right. So presentation is divided into different groups A, B, C, D, E. Presentators and super gurus. Let's make it a bit fast. Okay. And children, if there is any problem, we'll correct. Otherwise, you can copy your exercise book. Then work also will be easier one, isn't it? Right? I know you are a little bit busy nowadays. So the gap between 8 and 9 is vast. So those who are managing the time, they are able to do. Otherwise, it's difficult, right? Okay. What is first here? Test yourself. Tick the correct and alternative. MCQs are there, right? MCQ, who is going to present?
Me, sir.
Uh, Group A, right? Only MCQ?
Short question.
MCQ and question number 2, short answer type questions, A, B, C, D, E, right? And Group B, short questions, F to L. Group B, who is going to present? Sneha, good. And long questions, A, B, C, D, E, F, who is going to explain? Group C, right? And Group D, long questions, G to L. Yes? Right. And Group E, differences between and give reasons, right? Okay, you please show this side. So I hear some sound from you. But come inside, come inside. Give an introduction. Give an introduction. You. What's your name? And you are always late. What's the reason, Tejas? Tejas means name is very smart one, right? And Tejas means very fast, very quick. But activity is just opposite. Why? Our presentation, yeah. So total management of time is not up to date. Please manage time and come. Your class 6, 7, 8 behavior must be changed, okay? And Arush Kumar, what happened to you? What happened? Woke up late? Sushil, next day you go to his home and make him wait. What a shame on you. Why do you wake up late? Because of cricket? Or because of football? Nowadays these two fevers are going on. Cricket in America and West Indies, football in Germany. Or his own game, Free Fire and PUBG. There is nothing in the kitchen, sabji. He plays PUBG. What is this? Next namuna is present here. He just keeps the promise on. Give an introduction, come here. What is your name? Why do you become late every time? No, sir. It's bonus. Unmol means priceless. Yes or no? And you? Another. Come fast, lazy girl. Hurry up. Next is on in that side. They don't do their work according to their name. Be punctual, boy. Anmol Modi Adhikari. Or let's write there, instead of Anmol, we can write all C Adhikari. That suits. Next 10 words before my presidency. Hey, Bhojal, come fast. Take your seat. Okay. Now, it's a turn of Group A. Which Group A member? Sushil is going to present, and minor explanation is will be done by Subal Guru. Okay? A bit fast, right? It's been. No, okay, no, one interruption here. Come back. Here's one of the leaders. Why did you become late? I departed late. Why? Was there some jam? Human jam must be there. A long line. Be punctual from tomorrow, right? Okay, please, start. Without wasting time. Become it bigger.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all, respected science teacher and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Sushil Chand from Group A. Today I am here to present MCQ of nature and environment. Number 1. What is the study of interrelation of living beings and the environment called? Answer is ecology. What are the organisms which feed on producer only? Primary consumers. Which of the following are decomposers? Decomposers feed on dead and decayed bodies. Which of the following is the abiotic factor of ecosystem? Soil. Which of the following is the top consumer? Tiger. Which of the following is an example of the abiotic ecosystem? Rice field ecosystem. Which of the following is the impact of climate change on ecosystem? Migration, extinction, and behavior change.
Only that much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next will do. Okay.
Our first question is, what is the study of interrelation of living beings and the environmental? And it is ecology. And what are the organisms which feed on producers only? It is primary consumers. And
We check it today.
which of the following are decomposers? Decomposers are those organisms that feed on dead and decayed bodies. And which of the following is the abiotic factor of ecosystem? Abiotic factor is swale. And which of the following is the top consumer? The top consumer is tiger. And which of the following is an example of aquatic ecosystem? It is rice field ecosystem. And our last question here is, which of the following is the impact of climate change on ecosystem? And it is the migration, extinction, and behavioral change. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, do you have any more things to explain about this? What to say? MCQ. Now, next presentator is Nikisa Manandar. And who is your super guru? Arina. Okay, please come and explain. Hi, please. You got it?
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. As you always, Nikita Manandar from grade 9, standing here to give a answers of short question answers.
Wow. What love is it?
Define define ecosystem. It
Yeah,
is
what?
the biotic and abiotic components that forms an interacting system. And name two components of ecosystem. First is abiotic components and second is biotic components. Now question number C. Define decomposers. They are the consumers that take their food by decomposing dead matters. Question number D. Write two examples of top consumers in ponds. First is alligator and second is big fish. Question number E. Mention two abiotic components. First is air and second is soil.
Our first question is define ecosystem. Ecosystem is the biotic and abiotic component present in our surrounding that actually forms an interacting system. And name two. Next question is name two components of ecosystem. There are two components in ecosystem, and they are abiotic component and biotic component. Define decomposer. Decomposer are those organism or the consumers that take their food by decomposing dead or decaying matters. Write two examples of top consumer in pond. There, the two examples of top consumer in pond are alligator and big fish. And mention two abiotic components. It is yaw and swale. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. So what is given here? Very lovely. You just take it, right? And just take one photo also. See? Thank you for your attention and have a nice and lovely day. Very good. Children, they are very smart. I like it. I really like this activity. Now we have got here third presentator from group. No, yeah, from group B. Group B, who is going to present? Sneha, right? And who is your super group? Kritika Adhikari. Okay. Very nice. Well, nice order.
Namaskar and very warm good morning. All the
Well,
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all respected subject teacher and my dear friend. As you all know, it's Miss Nehra from grade 9 standing here to discuss about short question answer.
Look.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all respected science teacher and my dear friend. As you all know, it's Miss Nehra from grade 9
Now.
standing here to discuss about short question answer. Give any two example of decomposer in a grassland. Any two example of a decomposer in a grassland is fungi and write the types of interrelation that exist in between sea sponges and corals. The types of interrelation that exist in between sea sponges and coral is competition. What is the role of algae in a pond system? The pond ecosystem and the role of algae in a the role of algae is to produce food in the ecosystem. What is the role of bacteria in a grassland? The role of bacteria in a grassland is to decay bodies and fertilize them. Define ecological interaction. Ecological interaction is defined as the effect that a pair of organisms living together in a community. What types of interaction is found between goat when they struggle for grass? Commensalism interaction is found between goat when they struggle for grass. Give an example of commensalism. An example of commensalism is cow as a host and egrets and commensal.
The first question is give any two examples of decomposers in a grassland. Means those examples which decompose the dead bodies in grasslands, and they are bacteria and fungi. And next is write the types of interrelation that exist in between sea sponges and corals. And the interrelation between sea sponges and corals is competition. What is the role of algae in a pond? And the role of algae in a pond is to produce food in ecosystem. Means it works as a producer. What is the role of bacteria in a grassland? The role of bacteria in a grassland is to decay dead bodies and fertilize them. Means it decays the dead bodies. Define ecological interaction. It is the type of interaction which is defined as the effects that a pair of organisms living together in a community. What types of interaction is found between the grass when they struggle for grass? There is written competition, but the answer is commensalism. And example of commensalism means cow as a host and egress as a commensal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. So we have got now another next presentator. Who is next presentator? From grade group C, Swarnima Maharjan and her super guru. Who is the super guru? Krijal Khanka. What a minute. So pause, eh? Jangal, is there any this one? Hey, what is it doing? Why are you dropping? Huh? Is there any mission? What is your name? Come in. Sonia Martin. Manju Taman.
This. Upon this, that is not attached.
We talking? How many 9 slides are there? 3
Huh?
slides. There.
Sir.
Pull out that.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to our respected science teacher and my dear friends. My name is Swarnima Maharjan from grade 9 to discuss about long question answer. Name the abiotic and biotic component of ecosystem. Abiotic component are those components which include non-living components, for example, solar energy and water. Biotic
Solar energy, what is it? Here, solar energy, solar energy.
Sir, that mistake, sir. Biotic component of an ecosystem consists living organism.
One
Define.
example.
I forgot to write.
You have to write the example. Isn't it?
What is example? Producers. Define producers. Producers are those kind of organisms which produce food by themselves. For example, plants, green trees, herbs, etc.
We are herbs. Herbs service.
Sir, while speaking, it became a mistake.
You have to correct.
Ecosystem. Ecosystem is an ecological unit which consists of both living and non-living component of the environment. Decomposer. Those microorganisms which feed on dead bodies of organism and their organic waste are called decomposer. Parasitism. It is a non-living relation in an ecosystem in which the parasite of their pair gets benefited and the host is harmed.
Non-mutual that is, not ornamental.
Yes, sir, yes. Food web. A food web is a network of food chain interconnected at various trophic levels. Symbiosis. Symbiosis is that interaction between species in which all the involved species get benefit. Thank you.
So, Sonima, I brought the slides about long question answer. Name the biotic and abiotic component of the ecosystem. Abiotic components of an ecosystem include non-living components, for example, solar energy, soil and water. Biotic component of an ecosystem consists of living organisms, for example, producers, consumers, parasites. And next is define producers. Producers are those kind of organisms which produce food by themselves, for example, plant, trees, herbs, shrubs. Next is ecosystem. Ecosystem is an ecological unit which consists of both living and non-living components of the environment. Decomposers, those microorganisms which feed on dead bodies of organisms and their organic waste are called decomposers. Parasitism. Parasitism is a non-mutual relationship in ecosystem in which the parasites of their pair gets benefited and host is harmed. Food web. A food web is a network of food chain interconnected at various trophic levels. Symbiosis. Symbiosis is an interaction between species in which all involved species get benefit, and commensalism is the type of ecological interaction in which one type of organisms of pair get benefited and other one is unbenefited. Trophic level. The producer's consumer arrangement is known as trophic structure, and the position that an organism occupies in such arrangement is called trophic level. Mention any 4 abiotic factors that affect environment and describe any one of them. Any 4 factor of abiotic components are mentioned below: soil, water, solar energy, and air. And here is a short description about water. Water is very essential. It covers more than 71% of the total Earth's surface. It is essential for maintenance of all life activities, such as in our daily needs. And we can get water from various sources like pools, lake, rivers, springs, etc. And water resources are some kind of habitat. And water helps in balance of ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, which one? Group. Group? Group D. Group D, Marika. Group C. Oh, and who is your Super Guru? Rizal? Okay.
Sir, I haven't seen.
Right?
I haven't
I haven't.
seen.
Deepak?